And Zara has something similar to this, guys, but I promise you the quality of the Zara ones doesn't come close to this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tlaki. If you like all things fashion try on hauls, luxury unboxings and luxury reviews, vlogs, travel vlogs, listen, we do it all this side, okay? We do it all. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to be alerted as well every time for when I post a new video. So guys, today I thought I should share what's new in my wardrobe. I've been just collecting, like, you know, a couple of things. I've got fragrances. Obviously I love fragrances. I've got fragrances, I've got bags, one designer bag, and the rest are just normal bags, guys. Whew, being a mom, like, is a little bit of a challenge because you can easily neglect yourself. Like, you can literally put yourself at the back and, you know, your little one in front, and this is where you basically realize after a while that you haven't been looking after yourself. So I'm slowly, you know, trying to get into my groove. Basically, I'm slowly trying to work around my wardrobe. Obviously I gained a lot during pregnancy, but funny enough, I've already lost, like, you know, close to 15 or 16 kgs, guys. I can't even tell you, explain how I did it, but it happened. It happened. I think it was just, you know, the intermittent fasting that I started doing, so that helped a lot. I do hit the gym, but in terms of diet, I'm not really strict on what to eat or what not to eat. So I can't even advise anyone. People have been asking me, like, you know, people that know me, people that I work with, because I'm now back at work, and they always ask me, like, how did you do it? To be honest, I don't know, because I still eat the same way. So yeah, anyway, guys, the first item that I got. So we've got a Chloe bag. Lately, I've just been gravitating more towards, like, you know, tote bags, because obviously now, if I'm leaving the house, chances are I'm leaving with my baby. It's me, mom, baby, or me, mom, and hubs. So I always, like, you know, take a tote bag just so that I can throw in, like, you know, things or essentials that I would need. So I thought I should get this bag just so that I can give, like, you know, my LV on the go tote bag a little bit of a breather. I actually got this from My Teresa. I got it on sale. I believe it was 30 or 40% off. I then shipped it off to a personal shopper from South Africa, but she lives in Poland, Warsaw, I think, in Poland. So obviously when you buy and ship directly, you ship to Europe, the personal shopper just removes the tax or any sort of receipts to show that that would make you end up paying for any sort of taxes. So I always, every time I buy something online from the likes of My Teresa or Farfetch, I would ship it through to a personal shopper. They remove the boxes, they remove the receipts, and they send it back to me as though it's just a normal gift. That's the only way to avoid paying for, you know, those duties, guys, that they charge. So guys, this is the first item that I got. I've been loving this bag. I've always loved it, actually. I've loved it since 2 years back, and I think at the time it was still sitting at around 13,000 or 14 on Net-a-Porter, but right now this bag on Net-a-Porter retails for almost 30,000. So I got it for under 20k on sale. So I thought, you know what, let me just get it while it's on sale, because I'm never going to pay that much for a fabric bag, because this is obviously going to get stained. This is fabric, it's obviously going to get stained, so I didn't want to take chances. And I also got from Christian Dior. I love Dior, guys. I'm obsessed with fragrances, super obsessed with fragrances. So I love Dior. I just love the little, you know, they always give you a little dust bag. I love their packaging. They take their packaging very serious, to be honest. So I got a perfume and a body lotion. So this is the called La Col Noir. I've loved this fragrance for probably over a year ago. I remember I went into Dior to get hubby a fragrance, and they gave me this as a sample. Ever since then, I knew that I was probably gonna go back and get it. But when I was pregnant, guys, like, you know, I didn't use most of my fragrances because fragrances were just a little bit nauseating for me. I never got sick or anything. I don't remember actually even just puking, but, you know, there's certain smells that I just couldn't stand, and fragrances was actually one of them. That is why I just didn't get it last year. But Love it. And obviously comes with you know, the body lotion. I think I'm actually gonna go back for the body cream as well. So I just got the body lotion so that I can use it to layer up. There we go. I can use it to layer up so that my fragrance lasts a bit longer. So that's what I got from Dior. And this lovely lady that always assists me when I'm at Dior, guys, like, you know, she gave me like a little gift. She was like, oh, since you have a little baby now, I'm just gonna gift you something. So they gave me this little pouch, Christian Dior pouch. Inside there's just this Dior mascara. It's written Dior Show Iconic Cover Curl. So I'm going to try it out before I buy, like, you know, before I get, like, you know, the bigger size. I haven't used it yet. And they also gave me this lip balm, and I'm actually wearing the lip balm now. I am wearing this lip balm now. It's so good on the lips. It has a bit of mint on it, but it feels so luscious on the lips. So it's written Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Yes, I'm certainly gonna go for a bigger bottle of this. Super nice. It feels very good. And then they also gave me, like, you know, these little cards, guys. So basically with the cards, ooh, let me see. Okay, this is confusing. So basically, let's just say you're gifting somebody something, right? Inside the bag, maybe, like, you know, the gift bag, you can just write a little message for them. This is just written Dior. You write a little message for them and put this, you know, just put the card inside this. So this is like, literally, it looks like a picture of the Dior flagship store that they have in Paris. It looks like something like this, especially, like, you know, around Christmas time. They decorate it to somewhat, like, you know, this sort of like, they put those white beautiful flowers. I think they just basically mimicked that Christmas panel with these cards. But yeah, I love this, love the gesture. And then I also got from Skins Cosmetics. So Skins Cosmetics, guys, recently had they basically created like a little box where they put in like variety of perfumes. They are not samples. People are saying it's just samples. No, samples are smaller than this. These are like proper fragrances, guys. Well, not proper, but you get what I mean. It's bigger than the sample size. So you get to see what sort of, like, you know, fragrance you like more. Like, you try them out. And, you know, if you're looking to get a bigger bottle, obviously, like, you know which one to go for. So this was 1.8. You should still check it in store. They might still have it, guys. There's the one fragrance, this one, Ex Nihilo Immortals something Immortals, guys. This fragrance, I'm certainly going to get the bigger bottle. So it's called Ex Nihilo Gold Immortals. Oh. You know when they say a sexy fragrance? Yeah, elegance, sexy, certain of yourself. A woman. This smells like luxury in a fragrance, guys. Yes. This fragrance. Hey. No, it's one of those fragrances, like, guys, you know, if you're closing a deal, if you're walking into a meeting, walking into a boardroom, come on. This is the one. They have, like, you know, Byredo, Rose of No Man's Island, No Man's Land. Another fragrance that I've been loving as well is this one. Oh, this smells, guys, this smells so good. It smells so good. They also have, like, you know, a diptyque in here. They've got like a couple of nice fragrances that, you know, you can actually use. And they also gave me, like, you know, a sample Good Genes. This is like a serum. There's a serum inside, so they gave me those. And I also got this bag from Mango. So the reason why I got this bag, guys, is because I've been looking for like a bit of like a raffia bag, but I didn't want to spend so much money on the likes of your Celine or your Jacquemus, because Celine does something like this, Jacquemus does something like this as well. Loewe is famous for doing something like this. So I just thought, you know what, let me buy the mango one, because I'm probably just going to reach out for it, like, you know, a couple of times a year. So I wasn't going to be spending like quite a lot of money on a bag like this. So this bag just comes with strap. It also has, like, you know, that little bit of lining where you can put your items, you know, just to secure them. So this is from Mango. I also got another bag from Mango. Ooh, guys, look at this color. How delicious. How delicious is this color? It has a little bit of maroon and burgundy undertone. Like, oh, guys, it looks so stunning. It looks so delicious. And it has this beautiful magnetic closure. It has this beautiful magnetic closure. The quality, if you've used quality bags, guys, I promise you it's gonna be difficult just to buy anything. It's gonna be very difficult just to buy anything. But also with a color like this, I'm not sure if I'm going to wear it a lot. So, like, you know, when I buy a designer bag, obviously I want to use it for like forever. Probably pass it down to my kids, or my baby niece, my little baby. My niece is my baby. I call her my baby. So I didn't want to get, like, you know, an expensive bag in this color, not knowing if I would actually use it a lot or love it. So for me, this color is more of a test. I'm testing myself to see if I'm going to reach out for this bag or not. But I'm loving the color. The quality is not as great, I'm not going to lie. It has, like, you know, this coating on it that makes it shine a little bit, but it's certainly better. In terms of quality, obviously it's better than what Zara would give you. So I love this. I love it. I love the color of the season. This color is in, guys. Amazing. And I've also just been buying, like, what else? I got this shirt from Poetry. Like, I got this on sale. So this is not like a normal long sleeve. It's more of, it just goes, like, you know, just a little above the elbows. I thought it was so nice. Just a little bit something different. And besides, I'm trying to sort of, like, you know, use up my wardrobe now. Just buying, like, you know, nicer pieces that I like, you know, that will make me actually dress up and go out more and enjoy life instead of being at home and just being a mom and looking after a baby. And then I also got this, the shirt from Poetry. I got this on sale. I love, do you see, I'm not sure if you can see on camera, like, you know, what the quality looks like. Can you guys see? No, I don't think it shows the fabric, but it has, like, you know, that it's more a bit of a linen shimmer sort of a shape. I mean, sort of quality. That was on 50%. You can check it on the Poetry. I'm not sure if they still have it. I also got this bit see-through-ish as well. This is also from, no, this is from Mango. So tell me why. Another item from Poetry, guys. Why am I buying jerseys in this heat in summer? So guys, I walked into Poetry. I saw this jersey. This is like a proper winter jersey. Comes with beautiful pockets. It hits me literally just below, just slightly above my ankle. That's how long it is, and I'm quite tall. But I saw this, guys, and I was like, I'm certainly getting this. I am certainly getting this when I start traveling again in the winter time. Airport vibes, airport fit. Ooh, can't wait to see it. So yeah, guys, don't ask me why I'm buying a jersey in winter. I mean, in summer. And lastly, I got these beautiful shoes from Steve Maiden. Ooh. I got these online. Look at this. Look at the red. Actually, I was at the mall. I was in Clearwater a couple of, I think over a week ago. I saw these on by the glass window. I went in, Steve Maiden. I went in and they didn't have my size, because now I'm not a 6 anymore. I'm a 7 and 8 sometimes. Like, guys, I don't know what happened to my feet during pregnancy. I'm hoping that they're going to shrink. My heart, I'm hoping that they will still shrink. But yeah, so I got these guys. Oh, they're so beautiful. So I ordered these online after trying them on in store, but like I said, they didn't have my size. Oh guys, the most beautiful. And Zara has something similar to this, guys, but I promise you the quality of the Zara ones doesn't come close to this. This looks very expensive. Like, it screams, ooh, expensive. Like, you know, it screams quality. And the Zara ones, guys, not close at all. Anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm wearing my late grandmother's blouse. So this is a blouse that I got from her wardrobe. This is apparently over 20 years old. Like, my grandmother, I don't know where she used to buy her clothes, but her clothes are of great quality. So I gifted myself this. Like, I asked my mom if I could get anything from her wardrobe, and she said yes. So I went in and I gifted myself this, and it fits so perfectly. This blouse, oh guys, it fits so perfectly and it's beautiful. I love it. So guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe as well. See you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.